Dr. Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, let's dive right in with the latest news from the markets.
Well, I think the latest news, or the biggest news, is price volatility. You look at wheat prices. Several weeks ago, you could forward contract Oklahoma wheat for harvest delivery for $7.25 a bushel. Then the market over a couple of days took $1.40 off of that price, and then it's been up like 25 up one day, down the next day 15, up to 10 the next day. So you've got a lot of price volatility. Right now you can sell wheat in Oklahoma for around $6.35. You look at the corn market, that forward contract price, now not the current cash price, but the forward contract price was $6.25. Market knocked $1.25 off of that thing. It's gained 60 cents back. Soybeans, $13.75. Knock off $2, come back $1.50. So we got a lot of price variability in the market, or volatility. Also, I was reading an article this week. It was talking about Russia and the European Union competing for being the largest wheat exporter. You go back a couple years, the United States was the #1 exporter of wheat. We're not even mentioned in the article. They talk about the major countries buying. You've got Egypt, #1, you got Algeria, you got Bangladesh, you got Turkey. Where are these countries buying or importing wheat? They're in North Africa. They're over in the area of the European Union and Russia.
A lot of factors there, of course, but what's behind this immediate volatility that you're seeing?
Normally the volatility is caused by supply factors, but in this case we got both supply and demand uncertainty in the market. We talked about the hoarding of the food products and the high increasing food cost. Well, when are countries going to stop hoarding? And when they do, they're going to stop buying. So you've got changes on both the supply side and the demand side that are impacting our prices. And I think that's caused some volatility. And then you got relatively tight wheat stocks in the United States. The year we just ended, the marketing year, 872 million bushels, well below the 1 billion plus average in the United States for wheat. Projected next year, 774 million bushels, below this year's level and well below the 5 and the 10-year average levels.
You mentioned a lot of countries, but we haven't heard about China yet. What's the latest there?
Well, China's been quiet right now, but you know, on the wheat market, China doesn't import much wheat, and they buy very little wheat from the United States, but when they buy, it's on the margin and it impacts our price. So China is quiet right now, but they're always in the background. They're especially with the soybean market. They impact those prices more than the wheat, and they've been buying a lot of U.S. corn, and so they are an integral part of the corn market. So China's still there, but they're quiet right now.
So what's your guidance for producers in terms of selling in this volatile situation?
Well, what most market analysts are saying, stay on the sidelines. However, during the wheat harvest, you can't stay on the sidelines. Have a written marketing plan and follow it. I say watch the price, but watch the price relative to your target price. Set a price at which you're going to sell above the market and below the market, and when it hits those prices, pull the trigger. Be disciplined.
Okay, great analysis. Good to see you, Kim. Thanks a lot.